Fellow Nigerians, I greet every one of una. Una do well. I say make I use this opportunity again to thank those of us who take out our time to pray for this country, Nigeria. Today now the fourth day of our prayer exercise. Many people from Nigeria they pray for this country because we really need peace for this country. If we go survive, we need peace, my brothers and sisters. We don't need war, as I tell every one of una. For those of una wey dey in the diaspora, when their body dey hot, make una take am easy because na small they tell the leak soup wey dey hot, and na leg they tell dey find waiting for inside water. Make we take small take solve our problem for this country. Nigeria Rise Initiative, they call all Nigerians to come together. Make we reason, make we think in our heart. Because when mistake don't enter for what the person they do, my brother, you know if you make correction until rectify the mistake first. Mistake na something wey be say it can enter into any program where man get, because man no be God. Now make we say, make we pray, make God direct us for anything where we they do. Make God direct us. Make we no make such kind of mistake. My brothers and sisters, I thank all of una wey dey pray for Nigeria. Say make Nigeria better. May God bless una. It's not easy. But since you take am upon yourself, say you dey pray for the peace of Nigeria, my brother, you go get peace. My sister, you go get peace. Nigeria people now go get peace. Those wey want peace go receive peace. Now beg at the beg, make we pray. Today na the fourth day. We start this prayer since on the 20th of November 2018, and this prayer exercise go end on the 30th of November 2018. We say make we take this time to pray for our country. Make you join us. This broadcast they reach you from Nigeria Rise Initiative. This initiative now to unite Nigerian people. Make we do things right. Now make we they call all Nigerians, say come. Anywhere where you there, come. You there for Nigeria, I'll come. You there for any country in the diaspora, I'll come. Make we pull heads together, make this country a better one. Nigeria will still good. Make you believe me. My brothers and sisters, now cool temper. Now we go fit a reason where hot temper no go lead us anywhere. Thank you very much for being part of this program. And for those of una who will never be part of us for this Nigeria Rise Initiative, make una join us for this Nigeria Rise Initiative with this number. +601 135 483 733. Again, +601 135 483 733. Make una join us for this program where we do so, my brothers and sisters. Nigeria Rise Initiative, na initiative wey stand as Nigerian voice. We all they come together. Millions of Nigeria they unite. We they come together. They put voice together because we really won't build back the masses power. When we don't build back the masses power, my brother, there are some certain things we don't cross as level. You understand me? So that make we say make we they do things well. My name is Sir Watson Henry Chukwudi, the president of Nigeria Rise Initiative worldwide. Yesterday, I tell them, I say, get some truth where I go talk. Some people feel vex put, but I dey beg anybody, say, anything where we dey talk for this group, now the truth, make una know the vex put. Make una think, if you get as it take concern you, make you change for that way. Make things dey better for us. Because Nigeria where we dey here, so my brother, now something will be say, it don't spoil well. And for us to repair them, we go work hard well to take repair them. But if we go work hard well to take repair them, first and foremost, we go focus ourselves with truth. If the truth touch you, change your way. If the truth touch me, I go change my way. If all of us they change our way to good, why we not go get good country? Let me tell you one thing though. Wetin make up good country, na good people. The mindset where they get. Wetin make up bad country, na bad people, the mindset where they get. My country know they bad. No, na the mindset of the people they bad. You dey hear me so? So we the masses, as we dey unite ourselves, it good make we tell ourselves the truth, because we won't leave our government first. Make we build the people's voice. You dey hear me so? In this people's voice, we go dey use truth till they live with each other. Now I want to talk some truth. My brothers and sisters, Nigeria don't spoil so now money be the mindset of every Nigerian. the whole world knows say Nigerian people will like money. Nigerian people, money don't enter our vein, enter bone, enter marrow. Some of us, they sleep, now money we dey see, we dey think of money. Some of us, if you wake us for sleep, say, hi, the next day go come for our mat na money. So, for that reason, our country come spoil well. Our politics for Nigeria come scatter, come base vote on top of money. And that vote on top of money, na something wey we no go fit change. Na. Na solution wey we no go fit do. Na. So na small. Now make I dey tell people say, if you wan build new road, make you no scatter old road. Make people see where they pass first before you go build new road finish. Those people wey dey pass old road go come compare the new road and the old road, which one na good pass, before they will enter the new road. But for now, make we maintain the old road. Make we no scatter am. If we scatter am, we go get problem. And if we get problem, we no go fit build new one. And the truth I dey tell you, it's just like one story where somebody dey tell me. Person go meet one girl, tell the girl say love am well. The girl come tell am say I love you too. He tell the girl say na him be oku eme. Ego nekulu rowa. Money wey dey talk for the whole world say na him. Now the girl tell am say I love you too. Now the boy tell the girl say I love you. Now the boy come go tell the girl mama say he wan marry the girl. And before he go marry the girl, he go scatter their house, build new house. Now one man wey dey there come tell the boy say, Ego nekuru walile, abeg make you leave this small house. Go see that land wey dey there, build put first. If you don't build finish, we go pack go there, this small house they go scatter am. Now the boy say, no, na insult. He go scatter the whole land, build new fresh mansion. He go take this girl and the mama and the brother, the father, go put them for hotel. Make the day for hotel while he go do the building. Now they say, oh, they don't hear. They carry, they go put for hotel. My brother, they come scatter that small house where the family they manage. After they don't scatter the small house, now the boy say make him go do his business. Now where he go do business, now he hand catch him. The boy they put him for inside, give him life imprisonment. Now hotel price where the boy pay don't finish. Hotel people say make this family come up for hotel. Now as the family they come up for hotel, make una tell me which house did they go enter. My brothers and sisters, the small thing within your hand, value and pass the big one where they look for. Now beg they beg us. What I mean be this. When I tell you, I say Sowore no get the capacity. Kingsley Mogulu no get the capacity. All these young presidents where they come now, they no get the capacity to face the kind of mindset of youth where we get for now. All those youths where they follow Sowore, they say take it back, they shout take it back. Make I tell them the truth. All those youths, if they get where they go reach, if you give them money, they go take, leave Sowore. Our youth need money. Our youth body they hot. Our youth value money past their blood. We no get any other political party where go fit face APC right now. If no be as PDP dey now, people will get that same money to take play the gambling with APC. Nigeria never reach the place where masses they vote for free mouth. Make we leave those stories. Make we they tell ourselves the truth. Nigeria never upgrade reach that level. Say masses go vote or they go do vote. Masses go say they no go take bribe. Now lie yo. Now lie yo. Masses must take bribe. That one a sure banker. We dey live for a country where we say one person where they give one bag of salt, fit give out a vote for bag of salt. My brother, we never reach that level to open the whole Nigerian people eye to see that thing as fault. As we dey preach, they come. Some don't stop them. Some say they don't go do them again. But not be all of them. Now make I tell you and say, we no go rush, scatter the old road. They come say because we won't build new road. It get what they call capacity. When they come for fight, capacity, they. and that capacity you no fit run away from am. Make we leave those things wey we dey carry for mind up and down. Leave Sowore. Put Sowore one side. Sowore dey deceive people. I dey tell una the truth. All the Sowore youth party. Leave Sowore. Me, I dey tell you, say Sowore just come, make he come show himself. He come do gabu. With arrogancy, he go nowhere. Person dey do arrogancy, no get money. He dey preach for free voting mountain. He no go anywhere. Now just to scatter vote. Now Sowore dey. Nigerian people, for one time, make una leave that Sowore. Make we focus. Make we stay focused. Focus where we go stay for. Make we all put strength for PDP. Anything by thing where you get, just vote for PDP. Anything where they give you, say vote, my brother. Because we know if we change that system for now, it could still happen. Nigeria never wise rich or they honest rich. May they tell themselves true for that matter. Leave that thing. Make we do it in the right. I beg una. That one na one. Number two. Some people dey vex when I talk say Igbo people no like themselves. Nigeria, we get problem. Now the truth I dey tell una. Nothing but the truth. Why are they say make Igbo people, I dey call them, you go bless say I know that is, you go bless they send me. The reason be this. We dey make mistake. The mistake what we dey do be this. When I say Igbo people no love themselves, no mean say we no dey united though. No mean say we no love each other one by one. Yes, we love each other. We dey marry each other. We dey build house close to each other. That one good. We know. But when I say Igbo people no love themselves, I want to say politically, Igbo people no love themselves. Not just normal life. Politically, Igbo people no love themselves. There is no relationship between the Igbo politicians and the normal people. No relationship for Igbo land. For Igbo land. For Igbo land, many things show say we no fit come together. The people and the politicians no fit unite themselves. Big difference there. And until Igbo people unite with that political strength of love, they no fit achieve anything. Do you know say for Igbo land also, now you go see say religion get division well. Religion. Now for Igbo people body you go see say money serve as everything. We believe say money in everything. My brothers and sisters, now make I dey tell una say wetin we dey do, we get a lot of things to learn first before we enter to wetin we dey do. Now make I tell some people. I dey tell some people last time say e get as we take dey look for this Biafra and that thing wey they do na mistake. People no understand. As we dey talk so, Ohaneze group did their own. Uwazurike, that is Mazob, they did their own. IPOP, that is Mazin Nandekan, they did their own. Now, the politicians, they did their own. All these people who did their own. They don't get common relationship among each other. Now, if Biafra come, now who bring them? Some people go say, now Mazin Nandekan will bring them. Politicians go say lie. Now them be politicians. Now them they side government. Now they know what they do, and they go like to retain their seat for that same Biafra land. What's the name? Wazirike go stand up say no. Now he bring them. Say now then start this fight. Now the Ohaneze, what did they go do? My brother, you see say division day when we division day. And this division way there, my brother, if they get Biafra now, many souls will die. Many people will die. Because the IPOP get their own population, they get their own followers, and they're ready to fight. The Ohaneze, Ndibu, get their own followers, and that's their own followers ready to fight. The politicians get their own kakush. Even they can liaise with Nigerian government also. They get their own strength. They're ready to fight. If they don't give them chance for government for Biafra land, then the Mazob ready to fight. Say now then start this fight. My brother, you see, say, Igbos, make una calm down. There is big homework to do. Let us go and rectify the Igbo sector. There is a structure that is not working in Igbo land. And that is the reason getting this thing becomes difficult because of these divisions. And we like to do things with hot temper, power. Any time for the whole world, go check them. Where any country they look for freedom, go check this one they tell you. Any country where they look for freedom, any country where they look for breakup, where carry lie, start to they do propaganda on lies, that country not ready. Their opponents don't see them, say they don't weak. Now for only Igbo people, but they now see say they cry, say this government kill them. This government they not like them. This government not do well. This government don't scatter them well. Now time don't say this government no will change them. They say no voting. No voting. You dey tell the government make it die, or you dey tell the government make it continue, or what will be your reason of no voting? My brothers and sisters, whether you vote or you no vote, as soon as presidency emerge, the whole world go recognize Nigeria don't produce president. That president still get power over you. And what that government talk now you go do? Why we not go to use common sense till they do things for Nigeria? Everything na anger. And they beg all Nigerians I beg make una wake up from the sleep. This time no be time for us to fool ourselves in the name of say we dey look for something. Make we stand up with truth and do the things right. Make we all build better Nigeria. Make we all unite. Make Nigeria great again. We know say things don't go bad. We know say yes, they marginalize Igbo man. The Igbo man they do and this, they do and that. Yes, that's true. Now this marginalization don't stop. You know why? Make una wake up, go into politics. Make Igbo people start to vote. By the time Igbo people start to vote, government need the vote of Igbo people. Then the government go value una. If the government value una, what una demand for the government go they give una. By the time the government say Igbo people, if you neglect them, that person go fail election. They go they listen to una. Now their power stays from. When you fail to recognize the power of your PVC, the government will neglect you because the government will feel no pressure from you. No pressure. Why the government will feel pressure from you? When you begin to unite yourself and make a capital vote. When you vote at one president, the second one will come with conditions saying go do it soon at the talk because he don't want me to vote them out. Igbo people unite, get set, go and vote. The Yoruba people are begging now. The hour don't reach where we say all this religious belief and the separation when they put for Nigeria no good. Yoruba, don't because of religion you go see bad government. You go vote them because of say now the same religion na be. That thing they destroy us one way. Religious belief, all those nonsense, they now brainwash. Now brainwash. Make I tell Yoruba people one truth. Where we say, if we now walk and finish, I go see, I will stop there. If they divide, say they won't get Yoruba land, Yoruba no go anywhere. You know why? As long as one emir don't pay for a lorry, my brother, he no get magic when I go do take pursue that emir, and he no get magic when I go do take cut that emir and take John on herself because Yoruba on Yoruba kingship this thing forum, nothing like emir. But right now, one don't do. When I don't accept them because of religion, all of them don't do for one religion. To get that thing no easy. So make all of us say we get fought somewhere. Make we all unite and stop deceiving ourselves. A good make person don't say good money. If they look at where it will be really good money. I beg Nigerian people. This message I will continue tomorrow. Because of time, we go stop here. I beg all Nigerian people. Make we gather our strength. Give PDP. Take Nigeria back. If we don't get Nigeria back, Nigeria Rise Initiative, we say we will still build our strength. When we build our strength, Atiku, we go vote for him now. Make una vote for Atiku. Vote for him now to get Nigeria back. Nigeria people, we go still build our strength. If Atiku no dey do wetin we want, we all also go still gather together, vote and come out. As Mohammed Buhari go serve one tenure, na so Atiku go serve one tenure if he no do well. But if he do well, make him lead, they go. I tell Nigerian people the truth. Now we supposed to decide government if we unite. Make we unite. and God go help us. When we stop here today, I bet tomorrow our prayer continue. Make una join for the 5th prayer. Pray for Nigeria. Nigeria will get peace. God bless everybody. Thank you very much for being part of this our broadcast. If you never join us for YouTube, make you try subscribe for our YouTube. Click the button subscribe, click the bell, so that anytime we upload, you go get our message direct. Make you the update, make you the get update, and God will bless you. Share this message to your friends. Tell everybody the truth. We need to unite. May God bless us. Thank you.